Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Anish. Today we are going to discuss about Facebook Business Manager. It's a complete tutorial. Before starting, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates. Now let's get into the screen. Here we are. This is the Business Manager dashboard. So if you want to get into this particular dashboard, the URL is business.facebook.com/overview. So I have mentioned the same link in the description. Now I'm going to create a business account for my blog. My blog name is justmychoice.com, and my blog, it has a Facebook and Instagram account too. Now I'm going to click on create account. I'll give my business name. So my business name is Just My Choice. So I'm giving the same name. So this is my business name. And by default, Facebook will take your name. And the third option is your business email address. Business email address, I have anish@justmychoice.com is my business email address. So I'm just going to give anish@justmychoice.com. So guys, remember, you have to give your business email address. You can't give your Gmail address here. So now, if once you fill your business name, your name, and your business email address, you have to click submit button. Once you submit, you will get a verification email from Facebook. You can just check your inbox. So now let's get into the email inbox. Now, this is the email we received from Facebook. Confirm your business email address. Once you click on confirm now, yes, your email address has been verified successfully. You can see here that your email address has been verified. Now, again, let's get back to the dashboard. So it's again business.facebook.com/overview. Here you can see the account what I created right now, which is Just My Choice. Right? You can see my email ID, anish@justmychoice.com. So before we are getting into each and every options of Business Manager, I just want to show you the structure of Business Manager. So the structure look like this. So you have a Business Manager. Under Business Manager, you can open multiple business accounts, and each business account you can connect with relevant pages in the sense Facebook and Instagram pages. You can create an ad account. Also, you can invite your team members to manage your pages and also your ad account. So this is a basic structure of a business manager. And under Business Manager, you can create multiple business account. Like here you can see that I have multiple business account like Just My Choice, Elated Wardrobes, or Night Official, or Night.net, or you can see multiple business accounts. Under business account, you can connect the relevant Facebook pages and Instagram pages. Also, you can create an ad account, and also you can invite your team members to handle your pages and also the ad account. Now, let's open Just My Choice. I mean, my business account, which is Just My Choice. So once you open your business account, you can see that there are multiple features, options are available under business account. So today we will be talking about all these options. Like we'll start from business settings, ads manager, events manager, ads reporting, apps, ad limits per page. Also, you can see a couple of other options like, let's say, manage business, advertise, analyze and report, engage customers, sell products and services. In this tutorial, we will go through all these options. So first, let's start from business settings. Once you open business settings, under business settings also, you can find out uh, multiple options. Like one is users, second accounts, then data source, brand safety, registrations, integrations, payment methods, security center, request notification, business info, and setup guide. So we have to go through all these options. So first, let me finish business info because when we create the business account for a Just My Choice, we didn't fill all the information. So let's start from business info. If I click business info, it is asking all the details of my business. So let's fill one by one. We'll click on edit, legal name of the business. So my blog is not a private limited. I'm just giving the blog name as a legal name. Country, let me select India, and the address. Um, Address, your office address you're supposed to give. So I will give my office address. Oh, God. So let me give website name also. Tax ID is optional, so I'm not selecting tax ID. Let me save the information. Business phone number. So okay, let's give business phone number also. So I have given all my business details. Top of that, there are a couple of other options like business verification status, business history, ad account creation limit, business options, my info. All these options we will be discussing very shortly. Now let's start with accounts. Under accounts, you can see there are 6 options. Let's start from pages. Pages is nothing but Facebook page. You can connect with your Instagram account also. We will discuss very shortly. First, let's start from pages. Here you have 3 options. Either you can add your existing Facebook page, or you can create a new Facebook page, or if you are working for your client, you can I mean, you can send a request to access their pages. So in my scenario, I already have a Facebook page. So let me connect with my Facebook page. So it's asking for a Facebook URL or a page name. So let me give my URL. So once you give the URL, you can see that the page name already displayed. I have selected the same. So let's click on add page. Now you can see that I have successfully added my Facebook page under account. So page is already added. Let's connect with Instagram account also. Insta also, click on connect your Instagram account. So it is asking for the credential. Now Instagram account also connected under accounts. So now Facebook and Instagram both I have added. If you have WhatsApp, you can add your WhatsApp. And next option, add account. When it comes to add account, again you have 3 options. Either you can create new ad account, or you can connect with your existing ad account, or let's say if you are working for your client, you can send a request to access their ad account. In my scenario, I don't have any ad account. I'm going to create a new ad account. So let's click on create a new ad account. So ad account name, let me give again, that's my choice. Time zone, currency INR. This ad will be used for, it's for my business, so I'm just selecting my business. It's not for client. Now this is also successfully done. So I'm giving permission to myself, full control, assign. So this is also done successfully. Add payment information. We will add payment information later because there is an option to add payment information later also. So here you can find that there is a payment method. So we will do the payment. We will add the payment methods later. So now you can see that pages are connected. I have created an ad account. Also, I have connected with my Instagram. If you have WhatsApp, you can connect with your WhatsApp. There are another two more options comes under accounts, which is business asset groups and apps. These two we will be discussing very shortly because before discussing about business asset groups, we have to complete the event setup, pixel integration, all the thing. So later stage, we will be discussing about business asset groups and apps also. Now let's talk about users. Under users, again you can find three options: people, partners, and system users. People, it's nothing but within your organization. Partners, third-party agency or freelancers to whom you want to assign your Facebook page or ad account. System users, it's a third-party software. So let's start from people. Let's say I want to assign one of my employee to handle my Facebook or Instagram pages. I can click on add button and I have to give their Facebook email ID. For instance, I'll give sneha111@gmail.com. Now I have mentioned as employee access, and if I click on next, Facebook will, business manager will ask for the asset what we supposed to assign. So asset in the sense, my Facebook page is my asset, Instagram page is my asset, my ad account again is my asset. So I'm assigning right now only Facebook page and also Instagram account. So both right now I'm assigning to Sneha. So you have to give permission. Now, if I click on invite, she will get an email. Also, she will get a Facebook notification. Once she accepts, she is able to access my Facebook and Instagram page. Or I don't want to give Facebook and Instagram pages. Only I have to give access to ad account. Then I can give only ad account also. So this is something called people within the organization. Next option is partners. Let's say you don't have any in-house employee. You have to give to any third-party agency to handle your pages or to handle your ad account. Then the same procedure, you can click on add and you have to give their business ID. How to find business ID? Like if your agency, they are a little confused to find the business ID, tell them to go get into business info. Under business info, they can find out their business ID, business manager ID. So this is how we can assign certain asset to our, to a third party agency. And third is system users. System users, it's nothing but any system, any third party software. If you give access to your business account, those people comes under system users. For instance, I will show you one of my another business account, which is just my choice, SEO Academy. In just my choice, SEO Academy, if I come to users, system users, you can see that WordPress. So this is something called system users. Data source, brand safety, registrations, integrations, payment methods, security center, request notification, business info will be covering in the next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from our channel. Thank you.